excited about this prospect of natural hydrogen occurrence in Ras Al Khaimah. And what it is over millions of years, deep mantle rock has been thrust to the surface containing certain minerals. When that's met with rainwater carrying CO2, we find that process, that mineralization, nature's laboratory, creates hydrogen, naturally occurring hydrogen. The structure in the rock, we expect, has captured some of that hydrogen and held it. We, through this project, will look to explore and secure those molecules for the benefit of industry here in the UAE, particularly in Ras Al Khaimah. Natural hydrogen for Ras Al Khaimah has a number of key benefits. One, it allows us to meet our security of supply obligations for the Emirate. We have a growing demand of energy needs in Ras Al Khaimah, as we see a lot of inward investments here in industries that require clean, efficient energy. The second, it allows us as Ras Al Khaimah and RAK Gas to meet our climate goals. We're very excited by this potential prospect of hydrogen for Ras Al Khaimah. Not only does it provide us a clean energy source, but it also unlocks future investment in Ras Al Khaimah in new industries, new opportunities. Well, carbon sequestration is a very important way of being able to deal with hard to abate industries. And we can use the rock structure that we find in Ras Al Khaimah, particularly in RAK South, to inject that CO2, capture the CO2, inject it into wells using technology with our partners, and then that process we're seeing will mineralize. This is a natural process that we're looking to enable in Ras Al Khaimah that will solidify the CO2 into a calcite rock and permanently abate that CO2. The scale of the project, if successful, we're talking about, we currently produce around 4 million tons of CO2 through our processes here in Ras Al Khaimah. We believe we can capture all of that through this project and sequester it permanently, therefore meeting our ambitious climate goals for 2030, but also for 2050. The Year of Sustainability is a useful launch pad, and I see it as a key launching for RAK Gas changing its direction into contributing to its climate goals, contributing to Ras Al Khaimah and the UAE's climate goals. I think it's very important that the COP agenda moves around the world to pick up contributions from all sectors, from all regions. This year of it being in the UAE, I think is critical because it brings the energy companies to the table that have been excluded in the past. And I think it's vital that we have a holistic conversation around how we're going to go through this transition, including all parties and including the entire value chain around energy.